Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about the best alternative version for Twitter app on Android. So here you will see just open Play Market and just right here friendly for Twitter, and here you will see this app. So just click here on install and just wait until it will successfully download and install on your mobile phone, and you will have access for opening it. So after you open it, here you can see it, you just need to sign into your account, sign up if you don't have account, or log in if you have existed account, and just use this app as alternative for Twitter app, because it's more comfortable, because also it has ad blocker, or you can change theme, so you can also choose theme you like to choose, and it's more comfortable app. So just try. I hope I help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.